Would you smash or pass that man over there? Papa, Christasha says she wants to smash her.
Why you want to smash?
I'm not going to hit you up with.
Good day, people. Welcome back to the channel. One of the things that she an angel, you know. I don't swear to God that she an angel, but it's a devil.
Hi, beautiful people. How are you doing? Sun is in my eyes.
But you know, I want to kiss from her. But remember to leave a like on the video, guys, and subscribe. So,
Subscribe. Go over to my channel at Krista's Life.
you have content over there?
Yes, I do.
You need to put up video for people and watch and send them over there.
I put up video, but it just take my time. Guys, I have about 3 videos. But it doesn't matter. I'm loyal to do it.
Where's the way I do? Another one.
We're going to do a smash or pass.
Hold on. Smash and pass. With which people them?
We actors and actresses.
We actors and actresses?
Yeah, we co-work.
So you go first? Hold on there! What that? How? Krista! No! How about that for Krista? This is how that for your neck!
But it's out.
Whoa!
No, for my neck.
No, sir. Look how me think. This is a cute girl. Alright. Me cannot money. Something bite up on your neck, mama. You need a mosquito net. No! A mosquito, yeah. A mosquito that narval. So, I use a smash and pass, you know. What going on?
You want me to go first?
Nah, I go first.
Would you smash or pass Natasha? Her picture is gonna be on the screen, guys.
Yes, her picture I got up on the screen. Smash or pass, Natasha. I'ma have to pass, man. I'ma have to pass.
Well, that's
I'ma have to pass. Hear that smash, Natasha? So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass Alton Garden?
You don't know a pass. Me Alton can't agree.
No, star.
No offense, Alton.
Alright.
Just for our lovely people.
Alright, come again. Me again.
Would you smash or pass? I can't remember the girl name.
Oh man.
One that you like Rasta girl, remember her name?
Oh, Tori?
Yeah, Tori.
Let's smash or pass Tori. My God, for pass.
Yeah, pass everybody.
No, not everybody will talk about this.
Okay. What a chance, yeah. I like it here.
Yeah.
You have a pretty smile.
Hold on! Yes! Smash! Smash or pass, we are playing. Say, would you smash or pass?
Pass, mommy.
She passed my ear, she smashed me. Whoa!
If I say pass, smash, mommy, man. Pass again.
Anyway.
So, alright, so me get smashed, guys. I got smashed. Big ups to
you
me.
lie me. You not ask me about yourself.
So now you just say me have smile and you that smash.
Me say Tori.
Oh, you that smash Tori?
Yeah.
Hold on, where you say twin? Hold on, come on, pass her. Where you say? This smash or pass not done yet. So, pass Natasha, pass Tori. I love them both though. However, Miss here said she would smash both of them. Yeah. So, would you smash or pass? Yours truly. Smash.
Pass.
What?
Pass.
Would you?
I mean, you forgot your
Would you? Alright, your turn.
Would you smash or pass Shan?
Oh, that's the girl that always a part to her? Pass.
Pass everyone and woman them.
Would you?
Come on, tell the brown man.
Would you smash?
They cage him.
Smash nobody. No woman.
Would you smash or pass? Richard Brown.
Richie and my boss. Me not gonna touch your boss.
No, I'm not saying gameplay.
Go let the brown man.
Oh, yeah, I got video, me let him out.
No, your brown man. You have pass. You see man, holla, help. You go let him out.
Oh, yeah, I forgot video, man.
That's right, camera.
Come, hold this.
Where's the Christian?
Hmm?
Where's your pass? Every
So-
woman, that's true.
Every
You-
woman.
No man said to smash your pass. You pass. Every woman now smash none.
Oh, him say him not smash none.
I say,
Me never say me nah smash none, it's just that the one them where you go so far, me pass. Come, you have to put me in the green box. Put me in the green box and press this, so me in a focus.
Yeah,
Come.
me, Richie them did show me that.
Alright, good. So, video me. So, we're not done with the smash or pass yet, people. May I go take one little piece and move
Yeah, they're not focus
Don't
it.
stop, eh?
Oh,
You're not focus now?
yeah.
Alright, good. Krista shall learn to use the camera. You zoom in. So, you wanna come back up?
Yeah, pass.
Pass down yourself.
Yeah, I mean, I know how you come up. I say, don't want to run back this and come up.
So, you want to go up or down?
I want
Yes, Richie.
to try to say, man.
Alright.
So you can climb. Let's chop right.
So guys, we are doing a scene.
Yeah, so?
Mr. Chef.
Ready?
No, go front of me. Say, light in the back.
Oi! Video lady, just hold up the camera now. Hey, so, what happened?
What if I know, sir?
What happened?
Back again.
This heavy.
We're not done smash and pass yet. We have some more smashing to go.
You're going, you know. You're going to smash till you smash something wrong.
I say, we pop two of them there already.
See, big boss attack then. Put the camera on him now.
No, that one, that
No, that can't go up on internet, you mad.
Attention now.
Alright.
see that side of me.
Where?
Hey,
I'm saying that.
Bieber saying, oh, 2 person already.
Yeah, that's what I'll say.
So now she said,
Yeah, so.
as she
who
said,
there
I am not in that list of 2 persons who she mentioned. I'm not in the
You
list.
must people might
Thank you.
say that 2 person.
That me know. But when me tell them no clear, please, me not in that. I'm not any of the 2 that.
So you're the artist.
Done?
No, almost. Watch it all time.
No, with me.
Yeah. So you're the artist.
So come in.
Which one I dog them in the
So listen me, lady. You can behind the scenes. When that the man they are chat to put the camera on.
Come, don't make no noise, boy, man.
Me not see
And I'm
him.
gonna vex up your face. We still come back with the smash and pass.
Action,
Ready? I said Chris touch on my mom, I got.
Yeah, them near me out. Guys, if this not record 100, I'm not a cameraman.
So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass megapixel? Answer no?
My guys are liar, man.
Mega is a loyal man.
So
like you're smash.
Me never asked her that. Me never asked
Me
her that.
not going to smash Mega because me know a Mega woman come for me.
So yeah.
Don't call me.
Me call her name already.
I'm already
No,
called.
name shouldn't call me because I'm your father.
Yeah,
So, come. Again, ready again.
tell me.
No, you say mega, you know.
Would you smash or pass the original candy?
Candy, I'm a virgin. I can't move for smash candy, eh?
I'm a dog.
I'm a general that. I'm for pass.
Get out of
It's
focus.
alright. He's not focus, I know.
Yeah.
He's not focus. So, smash or pass? Would you smash or pass? Juta rhyme. Get how you toss out for a long time. Get how you toss
You talk us to this?
Hold on.
Oh, this was bet Rasta.
Where's the pass? You know, say nobody knows.
Lord have mercy.
Me
on
see.
this about
You
tonight.
see,
Me see it long time, man. Me I say, what kind of mosquito bite him up, beso?
Which man?
me don't know which
Nobody
man.
don't bite
You
me.
ask you say which man? Which man?
Nobody don't bite
Which
me
this
neck.
part? You say baby so cover it up. I get turned up and gone home. Maybe I curious when right after you go last night after it rain.
Oh, this morning this come
And this
from.
morning, early morning wake up.
No, since before I come out here. Me
Oh.
have sex or nothing.
Think you one before you come out and say, yo.
Because me there for
Body see it. The body see it. Means saying seats you just get something, but I look fine, don't you?
I have sex for sure.
You just have it next.
So just
I
line
have
up
it
with
first
next.
do it. No, I'm there with them.
Bah!
That's right.
I have black out that off our channel.
Here now.
But anyways, your boss, Mr. Jutaram. Sorry, my boss.
Would you
Uh-huh.
smash or pass Orlando?
Seriously, big man thing. Pass. Come. Would you? No, differently. No, can't pass everybody.
I do a pass everybody.
No, just because I don't reach down to nobody when we would smash. Yeah? Alright. For your time again. But no more man no left. Rated. Oh, would you smash or pass? Grey balls.
Blood.
Yo, that smash and pass and no normal at all. So
Down in belly.
no.
How much that me go do?
My turn.
Rub down in belly. Would you smash or pass Chris Tasha?
Chris Tasha. Yeah, right, that's right now. Smash. Smash.
Ah, that yeah, weird fun.
Smash. Smash.
Oh, you want Sergi? Would you smash or pass?
Hold on, no, I can't laugh, so.
Fire.
Oh.
Hey, no worries.
Yo.
Bud,
Yo, hey.
body done. Hey. Tell her the intention, no girl. Fire! My bun in the whole place.
Yo, what going? If video done, Chris Tasha does why out the video.
Why tell me? Move on there.
Hey, big up on yourself and people. This is really and truly Chris Tasha's version of smash and pass. But it's kind of unfair because, alright, but I whole of this everybody, I want somebody who really smashed. How you go? How you go? How you go? It's done, man. You're lucky. So, Chris Tasha, anything you want to say to the people before any video?
Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Comment if you don't want one more. Smash or pass, mukbang, whatever. We get it.
Alright, don't hear that. So, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in as usual. Remember to subscribe, you know. Remember to subscribe and leave one like on the
I'm
video.
over my
Thanks.
channel.
Tell them to like and subscribe and go up on your channel now.
You tell them about mine. Your turn to talk.
So go up on Chris Tasha channel, people. You know, see them come over there already.
Krista's live.
Krista's live.
Yeah.
Krista's live.
Like,
Live. Oh.
Chris Tasha nearly reached 200 subscribers already and other day 40 at the end of the day.
We are going good man.
Big up yourself. So go and support the movement, people. Look more. We chat to you again. We got tired.
You see the difference now.
What kind of smash and pass do you talk about?
Do you want to do the honors?
Yes, please.
okay. Smash. Pass. It's just for the video.
Would you?
Not serious.
Would you?
The girl.
Would you?
Wait now.
Would you?
No, let me get the girl name. The girl when they come down here
Pause
with
it first.
when I
Pause it first.
I cannot pause the video, sir. It's already rolling.
Chantage name.
Me give she same warning like when me give me.
Maybe you
Same warning.
Yeah, you give me one. then.
Shall go back up. Yeah, say it for camera.
Would you?
Original, no, me not hear what Richie say.
We don't need to hear what Richie said.
Go here, what you say.
Watch out.
Oh.
You don't smash our pass, me.
You?
Yeah, smash our pass.
Wait there.
Hold on.
Go, go.
Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah, but you know, nobody at all.
Yeah, you're not smash nobody.
You know, say nobody at all.
Me say smash.
Who?
You're not saying nobody.
Say mother smash, papa.
So, We can't manage. So come, boys. Yours truly. Smash our part.
I keep telling her, come down.
What?
But I want to hear what she say off camera. Because she said, if you don't go on YouTube, say, no, that means.
So I have also Richie. You.
Hold on.
Me I choose. Me want to know.
No, you can't do that yet. You have to just wait. You have to wait till I ask you. So, we have to start with me first. We have to start with me first. Hold on, we have to start with me
No,
first.
you know, tell her, you say, out of everybody,
Yeah,
you
me
tell her
understand.
opinion. John Dick, Tom, and Harry.
So, you don't smash our pass here, truly. Mr. Lawrence here, me, smash pass. What's that? No, sir. No, sir.
It's a sweet Richie.
Alright. Hold on. Let's start again.
You want me to go barber? Me laugh too much because me just a hot man laugh.
Hold on. Me I try to get control of this space, guys. Listen, me I try to get control of this space. Hold
Who
on.
is it? Not to say that. Come on, tell man interview because you're going to kill us. Come on, eh? Come on, man, talk to you, know. You like it there, but...
Alright, smash our pass. Would you smash our pass? That guy.
All the time.
Pass.
Blood clot.
Braveheart.
Alright. Again, next. Your turn. So, after me, then you...
Come on.
Would you smash or pass, Candy?
Candy, I'm a general. I'm telling you. Pass. No, Candy, I'm a smash Candy. Candy, I'm a G. No, Candy, I'm a G. No, but here we go on. May I be honest, no, Candy, I'm a G. Me can't smash.
No, that me mean.
Hmm.
You can mark that.
No, turn off.
Yeah, so if you go crap the video, then like three ask her about the same thing.
I think
different
they
video.
like the perspective then. So
This is gonna be everybody.
this one?
If you use everybody, if you ask everybody.
Oh no, it'll be different. It'll be different. It'll cut
Different
different.
video?
Yeah. It'll be a different video altogether. So back to the smash or passing thing. So she passed Alton. Your time for question me now, Candy, my pass. So my turn for ask you again. Would you smash or pass Richie?
Pass.
What's up?
Pass.
What? Alright, cool. My turn.
Would you smash or pass, Kelani?
Pass, Kelani, I'm a little sister. Can't smash my little sister. And I prefer dark skin over. Yeah. So, my turn again. Smash or pass? Would you? Bag of things go on right now. No. Bag of things go on. Would you smash or pass fire us?
Pass.
No, I don't understand how everybody just a pass. I never ask you if you just smash it.
Bunny down to the ground.
I said bunny dog tiger. Alright, my turn again.
Would you smash or pass, Christasha?
Blood kill, smash! Okay. Alright, who there again? Blur it, yes. Would you smash or pass Popeye?
Pass.
Yo, me not understand now. How you
Papa,
pass
your friend
everybody?
like that, so me couldn't cross the boundary.
Alright. Smash or pass? My turn now. Come on.
Would you smash or pass, Natasha? Is that her name?
Yo, me and Natasha just attacked the other night and she said she want to make my best friend. I can't smash. You couldn't ask me before. I can't.
Because
No.
the people them come like family.
No, but me that smash.
Yo, you that smash.
Smash over there.
Natasha.
But me have to pass Natasha. Natasha I'm a G, so.
Why?
But the
Have a pass.
other one name.
Yeah, you know me back.
Oh, come. Would you smash or pass Bieber?
Me feel like that face like he answer. Me feel like that face like he answer.
I can't bother with life.
Also.
Me have to go pass. Not because of how she looks, she's really attractive, but me have to pass for other reasons. You see me? So, yeah. But me come on. I don't know how I think go.
Oh, yeah, look for me.
Hold on. Make a car pass. Hold on, I would run out of man. When I have no more man for
You have mega.
Oh,
You have.
blur it neat.
The other photographer?
Yeah, the brother will edit. Would you smash or pass? Mega.
I would pass.
Oh my god.
You know, I think Mega start ask why.
Pass.
Why? No, hold on, and answer one. Would you smash or pass? Yes, truly.
Yeah.
Mr. Lawrence.
About 3 times already.
But you don't answer. Come on.
May I answer that again?
Where you want to pass? I don't want to hurt my feelings. Smash. So, alright. Good.
Okay, stop saying no.
Oh, my turn? Would I smash? We can't left out Jutta. We can't left out Jutta. But, yeah, my turn again.
Tiffy.
No, my turn again. You pass, you just smash me, so you ask me now.
Yeah, if I alone, so me do that.
Yes, look how you're nice, woman. I want to smash.
If you don't smash or pass, Tor, you have Tor, you have Shine.
Yeah. What the other girl the name? Would you smash or pass Tori?
They keep on having the same answer. The answer are different.
What if I say I'm not smashing that? Must I go smashing at the next? Yes, I'm going to smash to her.
Why?
I would smash.
Why?
I would smash.
Why would you smash?
I have no particular reason.
Why?
No, but me pass not the last one. You make me say that a while ago. I would pass. Tori, I'm a
This is the
general.
truth then.
Tori, I'm a
This
general.
one is the truth. You would smash her.
Would smash. Hold on, your time now. Get to you so for a long time. Get to you so for a long time. Would you smash or pass? Jutta.
Alright.
Get to you so what?
Pass. I'll pass.
Pass Jutta. I feel like run out of smash and pass, you know. Just should have smash.
Okay.
You should have smash.
Say on camera. And smash and get a fist.
Smash and get a fist.
Everybody say they don't smash me.
So, anything you want to say to the people and before we go? So that's Honey's mommy, people. If you never watch the movie, go check it out. Where is Honey? What you want to say to the people?
Yes, guys. You can follow me on Instagram at officialyaniboo_32 and on YouTube at keepupwith_yanyan. Yeah.
You have content over there? You have video upload over there?
Just do something I have over there for now.
Oh.
For now.
We need to post more video.
Yeah, it may come out later now then something. So guys, yeah, thanks for the support all over. Just continue to like, comment, share and support Akeem and all of it. Big up on yourself.
Hear that? Yeah.
So what do you think you're going to leave us a bit?
Me don't tell you already say me and my friend them go hang out, you know, have little fun, so when I'm ready me call you.
You need to call me.
Yeah.
Alright, you are going. I work on ourselves tonight, you understand? So you have to call me early than normal. You understand? So me can get ready. Come pick you up in
Alright,
time.
babes, I'm gonna call you. So babes, they can't give me some money because I don't have no money, you know, I go and buy some stuff.
Babes, you understand? Make like month gone, babes. You know what I say? Low, you know. You understand? If anything, I can send something to your car, I try, but you know what I'm going already.
Don't say no long way away for Natasha and Browning for come, girl.
So man, I said I'm out here away, man. Them soon come.
No, girl.
Sister girl. Sister girl.
Oh, love me again for you.
Come here, my friend.
Yes, girl. Ozzy just let you out.
Yes, girl.
Good girl, look, man.
So, girl, when Natasha there, I know Natasha not reach here.
I don't feel so like how she called me out and should have reached out to her.
Chairman, you know I'm going like say around time where I get right here. Just won't come, man. Gotcha. Now be express if you know they are about me.
Girl, you take so long to come. Like you did I do something, you know, like you did I mash a little work.
No, for me not take no little bit. I hold the mood of the party. They would reach out.
Like you did I mash a little.
Dark joke, dark joke.
I feel how we do because we buy all long.
So we not go on with it, no good. Kiki, come to your hotel work, everything go down there.
Why? I'm going down there now. I swear right now, I just feel like I want to live.
Girl, you always say that, you always complain and you know you're not live. It's be nice, man. That's what Kiki go and always complain and you not live. You want to live and you're not even look one next work.
Oh man, I really make up my mind I know. The people them call me an office girl. Don't tell me about tip. Two when I'm customer them come push and look at tip in my pocket in a girl. I even didn't remember say the tip in a pocket to them. And them I can't stress my brain. Me I left for true.
Good girl, you go like you don't know how the working environment go again. All you just to go and hold the work till you get one better. You see me, you just go and do your thing, mama.
Girl, you can't go on, you know. Because you're there with policeman, you know how to work. So you don't know how to worry about policeman and wash for your plate.
Anyways, enough of that. Natasha, I go on for your store. I say I post up on Instagram and all these things. And I want to tell you say it a go on good. I not tell no lie. And since the other day my man get one deal for me, I say I love you. That's why you see me post them there's something on Instagram. But for me I think for do right now, I want to start make my own stuff them in the store. So that me I work pan right now. But I don't want to talk about it. Because you know say more while I talk about things in a workout. So I just go and work pan it. I love how you go
girl,
so far, though.
I'm happy for you. Like how things always go your way, you know. It's a go get a girl, I'm not lie, but no. Nowadays I have to watch out for them, man, you know, good girl. Come on, lie, them are artist boy, and the hotel and Missy boy are coming and be a bag again back of them.
Girl, let's sit to Kiki. Me and you know saying every man stays.
True, cause if me did follow people, but what they say about policeman, me and my husband who do the right now, he might not have the money, you know, in our way to finance me, but everything I go and good and take care of me, you know.
You can go and talk it up. But you go and like say the policeman when they catch Boroma raise him name married. Natasha, I'm not telling for prayer man, but I see these things happen with their work, with the artists, them in and out with woman. I meant to tell us if you just watch yourself. Here girl.
I real talk, you know. I real talk, girl, but don't worry your head, man, because you know, I like myself careless. Hello? Girl, everything alright? You sure? No, sir. No, sir. Oh God. Send me a picture of them on WhatsApp right now, cause you send me them. You have one plan, alright? Alright.
Girl, you see all them a go and feel policeman soon if you know what that means.
Girl,
Me don't want no policeman.
me have to
because
go
of
away
my
now.
friend.
Me get a call. Me have to go away. So.
You are going,
I love you.
Take care,
Yeah,
girl.
you are
me
going
have
so quick, girl. I feel our way, but
I'm really sorry to me have to go leave, you know, but something really important me get called out. So when we reach home, me text you, alright?
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
I bet say see a man here on gone too. I hope my man treat her good enough. You know, but I hope the boy treat him good enough. A girl a good girl.
Hey guys, it's your girl Natasha, and I'm asking you please to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and please to subscribe if you haven't subscribed like that, and also turn on the post notification to be notified when Mr. Lawrence upload new videos. And thank you very much for your support, and I love you guys so much, and I hope you love me too, because I love you a lot.
Girl, I'm not going like say. Stop, broke out the man. I say girl go on now.
Natasha, can people them go?
Alright, and action.
Nice, then one say me I go pan here all day, me I
And that
text them
tell
all
you
day. You too. They come like Kiki, she a complain about the work, you a complain about the man. Just over to you, bro.
Action.
You a complain about work, you a complain about man, and no now, no left.
Man say action I
Trying to catch me. Pour something. No, Sam, throat feels swell. Anyway.
I say I might get good grades, but I'm me alone. I tell the boy that I hard. I say no boy hard, but guess what? I'm seeing I get good grades, hundreds, A's, and I feel good, brother. You know, sometimes man don't want to get up, but guess what? You have to do it.
For real, man.
Like that, I'll do good.
My daughter, she'll go and go in a school still, no? Grades and everything, you know. But it be a bad thing I call upon her name, man, youth.
Yeah?
If you look at 8-year-old girl, my youth, that's not appropriate, then. Be a bad things I call upon her name, man. Where do you say them thief all money, she thief all money, and them things them feel all embarrassed. You know them way there?
So she?
Well, I hear saying, boy, she too sure move, boy, I have to believe, you see me?
Yeah, for sure she, man. Can't make them give her no bad name, you know, man.
You know when your granny say, if you're going to follow rules, follow shit on you, at that. Fear fault, because if she never go certain place, her name can't call up certain way. You know what I mean, brother? But I go fix it, man. My mom tell her.
That's how you go, you know.
Yeah,
Girl putting them things, you know. Can't do harsh on them, you know. Take time with them. Girl picking, that's how you go.
For real, man.
Yeah, man, I with them.
Hello.
What?
You know, say your daughter can't keep your daughter money where me come from. I want to know how it all going
I
on.
mean my daughter thief your money. I don't believe that. What not ever say?
Of course she can't keep my daughter money. Some want to know the money I go now. Ask her how it go.
Look a girl, my daughter thief money from you.
Yes.
Yo, what be on there? You see same thing when I tell about my youth. I be bad things I call upon her name.
My youth. I just want more and my money I come for. Just give me money. I go on and I go here. Because I don't know long talking. I just want back my money.
Alright, just worry back your money. Come on, a joke.
Collect your money, baby.
Well, listen.
Keep your daughter here and keep her out of problem. Come on here, baby. We are go home.
Yo, where money there? Where take up?
Then you know you talk about.
Come on, listen to me now. No, just no bother with it. You hear me say? Just give me the people the money. If you want me, you feel alright. You see me? Because your name been calling up all about the place. Say this a thief and this a... Me no want that. Just give me people the money.
But me never...
Give me
I write
people
it
the
so
money.
all along. Me never take up no money. Me dey write it so from money on your phone. Me no know where you talk, but me never thief no money. Me no know where people them a talk about. A lot of them a tell for me.
Brianna, me no want to beat you.
Daddy.
Listen to me. Me say, me no want to beat you.
Daddy, me never thief no money. Me never thief no money.
Tap nice, man. Me no want to hear nothing more for you, no. Go and go pick one switch. Go and go pick one switch, man.
A little girl could not know nothing, you know. Be a lie, them a tell upon you, you know. So I keep my little pit in my yard, you know.
Yo, sorry. You know, some just check out mommy and her friend them. You know, Brianna think Brianna thief money.
So how I want to thief money? So I want to thief money and make money no problem. Give me money, man. Give me money. Give me it, man. You mustn't do that, man. You mustn't touch people things. No, if you do it. Matter of fact, come go down to the mother. Go on. Right now, Rasta want him money, and if he don't there beat her, you little daughter for him money. Come on, down a yard to the mother. Don't do it again.
Somebody take money, they want blame family come look like people will damn take money. No, I don't know, don't believe me.
Jota! Yo, Jota!
Yo!
Where there?
Yo! Power the man!
Boy, I know some me a pass. And here little pitney them attack. And just to find out, say, I said little girl will come here and they talk about him taking money and taking money.
Where say? Where really I talk about? Where I say to me?
Said little girl will come here with his mother a while ago. Tell your little brother and chick up his mother and take your money. Boy, I can't believe I say little pitney then. And the woman come here and go on with the excitement.
Who here, the little girl, attack? Say her mother, say she chick up her mother and her friend them and get more money.
Said little girl will come here a while ago with his mother.
Yo, stay here, so me so come here.
No, I'm not come here to stay, you know. See money here, you know. So, now I'm tired, you know, but here, you need to go out there and talk to your mother. And hear what go on.
Sorry, man. Sorry all the time you accuse you, you know. You see me? Cause you see it? Them thief the money and then I hear your name I call. That's why I say if you just stay here some man and not come out of yard, man. And not go at people yard. Cause them lie and them wicked and them I make it look like say you.
Daddy, I never go over there today, none tala. Only yesterday I go over there. I never go over there today. I ride there some different morning. And I never gonna know where
Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me now. That's your problem, you know. You just don't listen. Me don't want you go over there, none at all. None at all. Because if you never go over there all the while, them couldn't call your name.
Alright, then, I'll walk over there.
I'm going to tell you something what my old people them used to tell me, say. If you not got follow rules, them own shit by you. You hear me say? Alright. If you don't want nothing for that, you hear? Thank you guys for watching this great short film that we create. For your device, you should know that it's Jutarime Star of the Shine with a distant punchline. If you were watching official Jutarime TV, go over to the AV channel and subscribe and share. You know them way that if you were watching over the AV channel, go over to the Jutarime, the official Jutarime channel, and subscribe, and the link will be in the description. You see me? Have a good day, and thank you all for tuning in and give us our support. Blessed love.
And action.
You're sorry. You're not so desperate. Look at me careful.
You know what?
Where you going? Tell him where you're sitting. You're going like you know, and then go over to Akin Lawrence channel.
And them there.
Them
Subscribe.
who did it already, go and go tell who no did it. Go and subscribe to Akin Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akin run things. See him, bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe, and Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay. Subscribe, like and share, leave a comment.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy. Right?
Why you do that?
So do that.
Why you turn off the TV?
You know what? The vibes are gone. We there we enjoy ourselves and watch a movie. The movie done, you know? So we want to watch one more movie? I don't understand where you're pan, but me tell you something. Right now, perfect time for we do a thing. Listen, we do a thing.
Which thing? Right now, I mean, I know that with you. You see me, I watch the TV, you turn it off. Do you want to thing? What kind of thing? Don't you want to condone me out? It not work. You know, from when me ask if you buy me the perfume, I know you can't buy give me. Yeah, man, think. You don't know the Juke perfume when me always buy, he finish, and me beg you buy one and you don't buy it online. Everything good.
So,
but you want one, but thing.
So I have to buy perfume to get the thing? No, sir.
You don't have to buy perfume to get nothing. But a long time me ask your feet and you don't give it to me. Now you can ask me for thing. What kind of thing? Me have nothing I give to you.
For yourself. You want the dupe? Me have the loop for you. I have it. You know that already. I just become me at work. I'm a little bit busy. Come on, look on you. I'll take care of you, you know. Anything you want, you don't know the thing already. You know what I mean? What you may say? I think started with something.
Don't touch me.
Nothing.
I go fix up myself. You alright?
I wonder if I can. Wonder what I can do. If I make shit do the things them what I want. What I can do? I have to think about something now, you know. I have to make a plan. Babe. You know, say, I have something to talk to you about. But I never know how to say it to you. I tell you, because a long time I want to say it to you, you know. Because, I don't know how you take it. Because, guess what now? I don't feel good and I go to the doctor and get a checkup. Because I don't feel good. I have to go check up myself because since I late. I'm not 100% right now, I tell you. You know, I never know how to tell you and make you understand because I don't want to sound like I'm weak, man. You know what I mean? Weak.
What do you mean you have to go to the doctor? I want to you. Babe, I hope you not hide nothing from me, you know. You know you can't tell me anything. Why you want to go to the doctor?
See, I'm not 100 and I'm not talk about no diarrhea or no belly ache or no headache. I just not feel, you know, I feel 100. You know when you know yourself, man. You know what I mean?
You can't talk to me, you know? You can't talk to me. Just tell you know say me and you is body like that.
You know what? I'm gonna get a checkup right now because it's serious, you know? It's serious. I mean, no one doctor open 24 hours, 24/7 down in the town. So I'm gonna check them, man. Them available at this time, man. You understand? But I'm gonna check.
You want me to follow you, go, doctor?
I don't want to stress you like that. I'm gonna go and then get every information and I'm gonna keep you posted. You know, just take it easy. Because it's rough for me, you know. I don't want it rough for you.
Listen.
Yeah?
I will follow you, go, doctor. Anything happen to you, you need to make me know.
Alright, no worries, man. I'm gonna go. No matter if I'm going right now.
No, I want to follow you.
I know you want to follow me. I know you're that kind of
Because I just want to make sure you're alright.
No, but as you said, no worry yourself. I'll go get every information at my reach, make them know, and you know what I mean? We keep it posted, no worry yourself. So now I'll go and follow. Yeah?
Alright then.
Alright.
Alright. Let him come. Hello, good night.
Yo.
Oh, you know, see me are working, man. What you expect for that? Get the office.
If a situation, but I come check you. Yeah?
A situation? Okay. Alright, check my office right now.
You sure you can? Yeah, alright. You're available, right? Me, I come check you right now, brother. What situation? I have to come talk to you right now. Alright, go.
I wonder if he alright. And my head hurt me. I have to go take this. I hope everything alright with him.
Who is it?
Me, man. Me, public, yo.
Oh, come in, Mr. Public.
General.
How things? Yeah, man. Life is great, man.
Brother,
yeah, man.
This can't depend on you, eh?
Can never make our money off of you.
Well, I see the kind of one I had, boy. Yo, you are going now. You have a situation, see? A situation. You see? My woman in my yard, it's like, she don't want to do the things, and brother. And for her things, what she do is like, you know, she feel like lie down on back and all these things is it. But when I feel say she understands that there's more to the situation. So guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna try to draw out the, you know, draw her out in a different way because she love me still, you know. So I'm gonna do is more of a write one prescription, write something say, me have 6 months to live and me go dead in that 6 months. You understand? So I'm gonna try to use that and see if we can spice up the relationship. I'm not now going brother. I not say a straight freaky thing, no, I'm not upon that like that and but different when I want a threesome go on still because I never get that before. You know what I mean? So you hear me? Wait,
you know what? You see, every time you always come check me now, I never make $1, but you know tonight is the night I have to make $1 because my paper don't come for free now. But 6 months too long for your wife to give you what you want. I'm gonna write a paper for 3 months. And you get, but you the man, you must done with that freaky stuff. You don't done with it? You load too much on your plate, man. You're taking up too much. I'm gonna write you the paper, but it's gonna be a big cash, you know. I never make $1 for I know you.
Money there, man. Money there, man. Me I give you half tonight. Yeah? And then me start you. Okay, you know so we are birching. That far where I come from, brother. So you understand my situation, because you see, if you were in a one situation, you know you can call me. A lie me I tell. You help you already, you know.
Stop it, man.
You
Just
remember
calm
when me
down,
help
man.
you?
Just relax, man.
Help me. Me I pay you. But help me.
No problem. Give me what you have. What you have?
Alright, boss, respect. So me call you. Yes, sir.
Alright, no problem.
Boy, you saved me. Yo, you saved me, brother.
You should behave yourself, you know.
Don't worry about that.
I know you young man don't want to behave. You know, I'm a freaking it's going to get you HIV.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You alright? What doctor say?
Maybe I go drink some rum or something. But I tell you, not good news. Not good news. Can't believe this. The doctor said I have 3 months to live.
What?
Myself, man. Myself. So when the doctor tell me that news, I say if he might give me 3 months to live, better so him dead first. But me not bother doing them foolishness there. It's instead of we there as make ourselves sad of a situation we can't fix. You know what I mean? Make we just enjoy and make the best out of the 3 months. Yeah. You understand me? I say, oh, I mean enjoy, I mean so we do the things them. You know what I mean? Make we do the things them we never do before. You understand? I know you love me, you know, and I know you want the best for me. You understand me? I say, so I'm going to ask you, what you think? You think we can have the best?
May we do anything at all? Anything at all you want me to do, me we do it.
Anything?
Anything at all you want me to do, me we do it.
You want threesome?
Anything at all you want me to do, make we do it.
You sure?
3 months time then you're dead? Babe, you better you pray, me don't want you to be dead. Make anything at all you want me to do. Make me make up my mind to do it. Anything at all.
Anything, right?
Yeah.
Because I guess I know you see, I want you to do some more things, like, you know, to me. Because I always want to enjoy myself to that level. You understand? Because a long time I'll buy one little dress for you, you know. The little dress there. And the thing with the rose. And the thing in it. You know, the little sexy panty. You know what I mean? The little pretty panty. You know? So guess what now? Your best friend. Just call her and make sure you know, say, you know, more than one we have a time that she can, you know, like sort out the thing for
my best friend?
Yeah. She.
Why you want my best friend? Let me see paper.
Let me paper yourself.
Alright then. Me go call her.
I'm going to school off and do it for a second. Yeah? I'm school off because I tell you it's a lot. Right? I'm going to call you this one. Yeah? Just
No
call
problem.
her. Because we want to get everything started because we don't know what boy. Yes, okay, man. It a go on. So, I'm going to call her here. I'm going to go to the door and cool out. Alright? Soon come, yeah? You go work out. Sir! Sir! Need a drink, need a special. Sir!
Good night.
Good night. Think alright?
Yeah, what everything done the shop, so.
Tonight is a very special night, you know. So, you know, you have to have a special drink, you know. One of them time for me. Oh, yeah. So I want you to, can you send me a special? Yeah, because, you know what I mean? I want them night that I'm going to enjoy myself. Yes, my general. What you mean? Give me back. Yo, hear what? I pay for that thing. Worry yourself. Give me back your money, sir. Just give me back your money. Yeah,
Respect our manners.
Oh, you mean? So we do it, brother.
Yeah,
So, you know what I mean? Hey, today a special day for me, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Why you see them girl a special day, man? That girl look nice.
Girl! Amanda! Amanda!
Oh!
I'm me, man. Come here, man.
Oh.
So you are going with?
So what?
Not there. Everything good?
Yeah, man.
How you are going? Them time I was there?
Know yourself, bro, that.
My God. So tell me something, Amanda. My girlfriend call you?
No, she never called me.
She for call you, man, because I guess I know. She have something to tell you. She have something to talk to you about.
Is it talk? Why? Your girl. What?
Hey, nice, not sure. Yeah, man, the video. Turn up. Yo, if you're AV, subscribe. And if you're AV, can check out a public report, you know what I mean? Public report with a K. Go subscribe too, you know what I mean? And if you're a public report, do the right thing, just share it, you know what I mean? Thank you. And watch it, I want to go too. You like it? Hey, watch what come next.
Yo, wagwan.
Yo, me are sitting serious with you in a forward.
Me know say true me never come and buy a field, you know. But I could have come. Sister already them manners me for the yard.
No man, and not that. I sitting serious than that. When me there bargain, my father call me, I would believe when he tell me say.
So your father call that you say?
Father tell me say me not to left out the yard. If you avoid bargain, and me avoid bargain, you go buy one PlayStation 3 for me and one of my friends, and he said, who me fi buy from? I tell him say, I want one for you.
You too lie, your father not buy no PS3.
God no, true thing. Me run from bargain and come run and say I sit happen. I think tell me yesterday.
When you say I'm going to get them?
No, he said if you avoid bargain, so me avoid bargain come on PS3.
Alright, remember what you say no? Remember what you say? You go up now, no. Because mommy no like when me come out there, so no. Not TV so, you go up.
Alright, me I can go down to you now if I not liquor more.
Oh, Jutta, give me a look for now. Give me a look for.
So you don't even know you.
You know, say, a brown man down the road, see me and say, I want to see you from window.
So the brown man I look for me for, brother. Brown man I look for me for. Tell me say me a person. Tell me say I see.
my youth, I'm link the other day for this man that will link back. How you see the nurse just loose so?
Brother, don't lick fire upon that already. That the man the way I talk about joke thing that brother. That the man they not must chop you. That the man they just used to drive feeking. You make me I go tell me youth say me go buy him PlayStation just to stay in our yard. Brother, that's soft man you. Soft done.
So you say, you sure say everything good? Cause that the girl there, you know, normal girl from high school, you know, that girl will slap out, people brain right now. You understand? So you sure say everything good? Make sure, so you sure say everything good.
My youth.
You understand? Make sure.
When the girl they come there, you see her with the strap. Them not on the strap.
So alright then, you have a strap now?
Me never left it yet.
Twitter, you know say I have a strap but I never see it. The same time she could have her strap, but I never see it. You get to me and say my father.
I understand what you're saying now. But you don't talk to fire you know, about that you know. Fire me I work with, you see me? Man said that loose my youth, so I let go that. You see me live and pray about that. And my youth, PlayStation money me I pray about right now. You see me? So you can't go and stress out yourself over that. I'm good. You hear that?
That's me general. Still, fire not God, you know. You can't see everything. You understand? Right now, I'm good enough to cause someone loose. Now go and really understand. So we link up. Yeah, well, man.
We'll do some handy work. Alright, time to get myself out of this godforsaken place. Tommy. Yeah, I'm busy right now. Talk fast. Alright, give me about 3 more hours. 3 more hours and we'll be good. 3 more hours. The thing is, no, a little bit of complication, but it's fine now. I would just say the kerosene I did for the pick up and drop off. She's spoiled, so anything spoiled now we have to throw it away. Yeah. Yeah, we go up on the location. It did supposed to start from then, but she come back and tell me say, oh, she's a friend from high school, so she couldn't carry it out, and she even did want to keep the strap. So it just makes you feel like everything alright. I'm gonna figure more or less that she drop some information, so I'm gonna take no check. You understand? So yeah, business as usual. But give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Just stay at the wharf. You don't do the pickup, you know, because we don't want the paper trail lead back nowhere. So you get what I say? So give me 3 more hours, me pay for your trouble. Everything will alright. As I say, just run now and like a little same thing there, so I have to clean it up and yeah. No, Tommy, you have it wrong. You have it totally wrong. I'm not interested any at all in taking over fire crime syndicate. I'm not interested in that. My plan is to take it down. I know I said precious to him and I know I said I love it. I don't want it. But anything that people love, you take it and you destroy it, then you cause them pain. So in 3 hours time, my friend, 3 hours.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name is Price?
Yes.
So it who you them really out to say your grandson them though?
Yeah man, and my grandson, what happened?
Me don't know how to tell you this now, you know. But you see, I can't send them.
Yes.
You have to go send me them.
Send them my grandson. For what? Why me must send them when now?
One. You see, Jota, the serious man, you know, you're not fine. You understand?
Yeah.
And no one go around. You understand?
You understand?
So, that's why I'm not sure to listen. Because send me. Where you can send them. I don't want no trouble. You understand what I'm doing?
Hello, beautiful people. Good evening. Welcome back to the channel. I hear the cricket them. Yes, I know. Lawrence cut to the movie shot. Yes, I understand. I go see a whole heap of comments. I say, Lara, we need to make it longer. Da. Yeah, I understand. But here what I need enough to do. This is what I need enough to do to help me to make like 1 hour of one to just watch. And before I go any further, this film that you just saw, there's a first part to it. If this is your first time here, there's a first part to it on the channel. So the thumb, it's called the Takedown just the same. The thumbnail is one of the characters' face, Rory. That young man where his parents don't want him come out of the yard. So you can definitely go and check out that one and da. But yeah, me need enough to like, share and subscribe, guys, so you can afford me the resources that I need to make full-length movies. At the moment, I have 0 equipment, 0. But luckily, my brethren, Richard Brown, has the camera, so you know I can go over there, borrow him equipment and film. You get me? So yeah, but apart from that, you are going to need resources like money to pay actors, right? I'm going to need a camera because Richie can't lend me camera them all the time. I have few movies them to make as well. And then he can't big up yourself, him can't lend me equipment. I suppose me go mash up. What am I gonna do now? And him have difficult to find camera for himself ready and then I go bad. So all I need you guys to do is like, share and subscribe so we can afford some full-length movies. Now obviously these films aren't comedy. That's not my life. I'm not a funny person. Majority of my life I was in corporate. I was a part of corporate Jamaica, then law enforcement. So majority of the stories that will come from here, majority of the stories that I'll produce are things that I would have seen in the courthouse, reports that were made to me. And of course, I still have my journal them from when I was a police officer. So those are the things that I'll express in video. So definitely guys, like, share and subscribe so I can get into some full-length movies. I enjoy doing this. For everybody who know me know say how Lawrence started out with B-roll and credits to Peter McKinnon. Every single thing I know about filming, video, everything I learned about video, I learned it from Peter McKinnon. He has a YouTube channel on here. If you're interested in learning about filming and video and to use the editing software, how to color grade and to make regular DSLR footage look like Cinecam footage, you can definitely check Peter McKinnon. Big up to Peter McKinnon, although you may not think you might ever see one of my videos, but yeah, credits to him. He is the person that I learned video and video editing from. So yeah people, you don't want to see full-length things like these, subscribe, like and share upon your Instagram, your Facebook, all about. You understand? Because actresses, actors, them are go want money, them are go want food. People will get frustrated and if they feel like say or nothing now come from that, they're not going to want to continue. Which is what happens most of the time. That's why I do short films. So if I can't finish everything right away, so like I have to go back and say, we need to continue. And say, I don't feel like do it today. When I pay them, there's no, me not feel like do it today. You get me? So yeah guys, like, share, subscribe, help me make full-length movies. And yeah. So little more. Big up all of the actors them, big up Richie for lending me equipment them. Big up Jutta, big up Rory, big up everybody who participating in the video. Aki and Lawrence really appreciate the help. And big up everybody who are watching now. Big up all the members. There will be a link in the description if you're interested in being a member. You can definitely check out the description. Membership also, you can contribute a small donation monthly. So you can help me to get these resources. So yeah, until then, I hit that from me. Like, share, subscribe, click more.
You know, so I feel like, for all of them, I feel like, say, whole lot of people in my mother.
Rory, and I think we know that long time. You think me just say that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are picnic, like, they not go think, say, we are see what go on.
Rory, me not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like, say, we have to take care of them, it's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me assure you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, I bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, now.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know? But what do you think we could do to help make things better? What do you think we could do to help them mad people?
Boy, I think about it rough. I think you have to go to school and learn a book.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright, then come on.
Rory, mommy say not to left out the yard.
I'm not going to know when my friend them go over wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Who is calling?
No, the man from come win off him money, man.
What that for?
Alright, come in, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
Might you lose back your money to the attack.
Papa, you have a ball field.
So you do everything that you have already?
Yeah, man, I see Papa here and everything already.
Make sure you know. I'll have the gate right now. No, Wallace. You said no, I'm call you. I'm done, call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so I can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
Man, you can't do that, brother. How me I go play some football up there somewhere?
Well, I can't come now. I will get beaten if I come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a ball ground now. Make sure say you come in because you tell me say you come. I go pick up on my team. So come a ball ground.
So Brown man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Shorty, you know, say no me one do. And I rest down there can go things saying down and back down with a file. But we know say a ball in can ball over your money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all the money and can ball over it.
Right. So come at me and play a game now?
I mean one anytime I'm ready.
I drop me and make me even know if you play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player now.
So what going differently?
As usual, they are going easy now, right? And I'm more to a new woman in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. Only thing you want to do is mess with people, girl, pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up the table. Come.
Mama, baby, go play, Anna. Oh no. Oh no!
I hope I don't road their friend figure, you know. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in, you know.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. That's true, me have to go away.
Yo, you're good, man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, not even did realize the rain fall. True, me go in there one of my long time school friend didn't make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
What's that to me? Me no business about that. A serious mission this, you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, me tell you something if you don't know what go on. I know if you know the brother when him fire us. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling go on. But me know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him a one of the top dog them. Me need that the man that get take out of the picture first. Me tell her say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap. Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pan his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on pan his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as me tell you, say, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright, here we go. I make you hold on pan his strap. I need to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
So you expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school? Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
It's alright, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited to do this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. You just get the idea, you know. No, can do. Can kidnap a youth, you know. Can get the youth and then lure him in instead of a probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with.
So, Miss Meredith.
But you save him. Yeah, so here what? More you tell him to protect him youth, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Tuta, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I didn't want this year, but you see boy fire us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire now this time. I have to tell fire this time. No joke. Isn't it? Right now, joke, I have to protect your son head now. Protect your son head, you understand?
Yo, me I call you. Just come make fire now, what go on.
Alright.
Yo, son, Ranje, me no business push fire there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know. Alright, my son.
See how this serious.
Serious something this, man.
Walk out of here, man.
Hey, you know, something like your nosing do, I wish I wear cool suit, DDs, and Macy's. So which part they located? Because you know, that nosing the nice.
Well, cool suit and my business.
Oh.
And sometimes when we run out, we can get your Macy's or DDs where they sell here.
Oh.
I'm never born in a lace.
Hey.
Ashani roar me up a lot.
Oh, so Ashani made this sing at them. Ashani made sing song first. Lord God. But I'm going to start shot the kind of going to have to come out.
And you look damn good, brother. You have the skin, you have the body, you have the butt, you have the... You got it all. But you got to make a mistake.
So your boyfriend is?
Me? Never man, Baba. Man a stress, problem and all these things. Me? Single, free and disengaged. Right now, I want one white man or one English man. I want one real businessman or one lawyer.
Well, you man them no matter to me as long as they drive and they have money. Me alright. Cause I don't like walk.
That means if you own a car.
No,
and
no,
a car
man.
mat.
Don't worry. I shall. In the name of God, Miss Moon.
Let it out in the universe, sister. The man all one man march up here right now and just tell us, say, yeah, you have me own a car mat and me I go put your name on it. Right,
See you so. Call it into existence.
But must so. Other things, I don't say we all want to go on the river today, go on a bath and a wash up.
Yo, no, I'm standing fire.
Fire.
Sorry, my manners, man. Hector Smith, known as Jota. Fire, my virgin still. You see me, I pass through the area, I say me that.
Ashley, my name. Ashley.
Yeah, man. What you name?
My name is Care.
Care. For real, man. Tell me, say, fire in the board, though.
No fire in the day, but we there.
Yeah, we there.
No, we can't take on we, but you know, say, you like your friends still, probably will drive out to that door. And then I'll take a walk. Let's say about that.
How would you know you like?
I do me like, man. Me like she too, you know, but...
Ready?
What's the way I want so far?
Okay. Why you see a car? I see a car.
Brush off your dreams come true.
So, hold on up. Where's the fire in the board?
I'm fire in the day, but we there. Come. Wait, carry. I enjoy that, girl. Girl, you sick. Get up, me just dream. Say you're coming.
You did at 6.
Come here, let's go to what the best of come up there? You say, girl. Me and the man go up on the road and I walk up on the road. The man can ask me for front.
I'm just a dream. Say you're going with yourself in a girl.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Me?
Say you're the man not going.
Fun with what? You want to do it in a car and talk about how you want to make a yard or something. Thank you, no.
Tapping. What's this a mix up one?
What?
You can duck quack.
It looks like they deal with him.
You know, so I come here and go look for you, though. And when I look across the road, I say, I'm way up the road. Where are they, sir?
Oh, they deal with it, sir.
I can't come on my business. How no rate me as a friend? No, say something walk along.
Yeah. Me know say you normally duck out, but you duck right out.
Right
Quack
out.
Man.
Quack.
I'm jealous with me and my man.
We love you.
But now worry yourself. My man loves me.
But your jig is
My man loves me.
Alright, quack. Watch out. Hey. Got it. Quack. Yeah.
He's still a quack and go on the car.
No, a dog.
They say girl mix up, but she quacks up.
You know, so do I mix up them so you watch people business too much.
Why about here? That's why man can go chat to your own.
Oh no. Babes. You know, so do we are going river though?
I move, man. Which river I go?
Big river, me I go. So you now come with me?
Can't go up on the river now, man. I make a slide up on the end. But me I come back, come link you, man. I tell you, it's something more, man.
You want me? But you don't want to come on river with me.
Yeah, give me something on the river.
One.
Come on, look nice. Come on, look nice. How do you see your name? Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
You look like you have money. You can't get a girl son.
No money, man, but watch out. Can't do a back way in there.
Back way that one. I have to buy me 2 pounds of chicken for the master.
Oh, yeah, talk some. I only have money. Come in here, car, man.
Give me money first.
Come in here, car, now.
2 pounds of chicken. Rice.
Yo, your shit better than
Little juice.
No, I'm going to show you something. Watch out, watch out, car.
Give me
I'm not a foreign money, me, I give you a quack, quack. Cool, man. Easy, no, man. Just come in here, car. What is? Come in here, car. 20 euro, that.
Alright.
Come in, how much food I can buy our clothes. Come in here, car. Come in here, car, no, man.
Like kind of lock certain way, so we can't take it home. You know what I mean?
Come in here, car. Just come in here, car.
Take it on the back. Quack with you. Quack me.
Ready? Hey, you know, so I like your nose ring, do I wish I buy?
Wanna buy?
Ask her again.
Yes, sis.
Ask her again.
Oh, alright, tell me then.
Ready?
You know, so do
So me, dog.
Ready now.
No talking.
It again. Talk now, Jutta.
Talk now, Jutta.
I'm sorry about my manners, but my name is Hector
Actually,
Smith,
my name.
aka Yaman Jutta.
Ready?
My name is Care.
No, I can't take on the weed though, but you know, I like your friend still, and I'll probably drive out with her or you know, I take a walk, you see me?
How do you know you like?
I do me like, man. I like she too, you know, but
Ready?
shall we have one?
Plate, still dirty, mama name. Brittany!
Come in the ramping shop.
No man, summarize some man. Bet no pretty for man, watch out. Game? Nah man, Brittany not going good. Brittany! No man, Brittany there. Mama, she got. Brittany! Little girl! Hello. Oh, where you there, son? Eh? Where you there, son?
Me a text snap daddy.
You see how them I was there?
Hold on, this.
You wash plate, you prep bed, you do nothing, you don't farm on him. Suppose if we say about when your auntie them go see, eh? At that them are gonna call me and tell me, say, everything you use, you left it dirty and all sudden there's something there. You understand? You're a big girl now, you're 18 years old, you're out school. Brittany, you need to do better, Brittany. You understand?
But me never feel good, daddy.
Feel good. You see the place where you're there. If it clean, cleanliness is godliness. I mean, I try to put in there but you not learn. Hey, world normal, you know. Post something happen. But me not do that. How you gonna survive out there? Eh? How you gonna survive? Because right now you can't have to manage yourself. You need to do better, man. Yo, we don't go clean the place. Why not clean the place? Why not clean the place? Okay.
Brittany! Brittany! What happened to you? What you doing? So what? What happened to you?
The day they are cousin something that says to me, start crying and come down here.
Your father really there? But anyway, I run me, I come run and come look for you and say me I come get a check. Come in off the dip on the people in place. You understand me? So everything good with you, how is school and sitting?
Mommy done school now.
Done school?
Yeah.
I saw time fly, Pitney. Time fly, man. Me never did know say time fly so fast, man. Just try hold your head up, and keep your foot down. Me know say you no look a young girl going like you no want boyfriend early, Me know say you no look a young girl have a look a boyfriend. Me no see her talk and I go on like that, man. Why boy you look a boyfriend? Tell me, man, cause you can't talk to me.
Yeah, me have one boyfriend in school. Daddy don't know.
And before you go even no further, Miss Ma'am, you not have sex?
We not start yet because me myself don't know nothing about them things there. So we not start it or anything.
Me know say you didn't tell about it, but hear what me I say. Even if you reach to that, please me they beg you. Make sure say you use a condom. You understand me? I mean, I really indulge more in mind and not think about man. You understand? Because right now, you have to think about yourself first and higher esteem you have to think about. Think about them, man, because you see what them do to them young girl. You know, look at your eyeball. Look at your eyeball and see what them do to them little young girl. A disease, all sort of sitting. Breed them left it upon them mother, father, everybody have to jump in and help. Them not help. You understand? So you have to know yourself. You hear me? Okay.
How about this shit? You still not watching me play them? No, sir. Still look again like it from back to
Anyway, I get one little phone now. So I can give you my number so you can link me up. You understand? Cause you understand? Things are going bright for me now.
What's here? Miss Sissy, you share the kid with you now. Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany? Brittany, you still have to play them up there, Brittany?
What this man?
Where are you today? What bring you here? What bring you here today? All of a sudden just pop up out of nowhere.
Mister, one reason why I'm there for your property, you know. And that's because I'm a daughter, you know, and I love her. You don't understand, you know. You say that you make all of this, you know. You think say nothing, I can look over your place? I don't want nothing for thief. I don't want nothing. I don't beg you nothing. Brittany make me there. And my daughter.
If you did one there, that day, you love the street more than your daughter. If you did one there, you would have there. A party and a floss and all of that, something that you pick over your daughter. Are you cause everything? You cause everything.
Cause what? Cause what?
She a galang so, she a behave so, and now do what she fi do. You understand? And because me no lick Pitney, you know, I prefer discipline them and send them somewhere else to go live, you know. Yo, you're gonna make me just send out of the place, you know. Just continue to test my faith, you know. Yo, go on where you go. Brittany, go wash your plate. The last time I tell her, go on where you go, me say. Brittany, go wash your plate. Go wash your plate, Brittany. Watch out. Hey, alright, just lick you with that piece of, hey. Chuck. Yeah, man.
Right now, I just can't bother with this right now. Daddy has stressed me too much. Madam did it wrong, my mother. Can't take daddy no more. And I just can't bother. Right now, I come out and I can't take it no more. Just can't take it no more. Just, I'm sick and tired of it. Look if you don't see, Insta act up. When I was wrong with him, just can't take it no more. I'm out of here. Can't take this no more.
So I plan for tonight, baby.
Just carry back anyway.
I know, baby. I want to say, a long time I link though. I say, I can't go on Fiji night. I say,
Well, you never, you know, already and things. But I wonder if I could have wait. No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready.
Wait for me, baby. Look how long me I talk. I'm never cheap for you. I have to about wait, I get you. From here, me never do nothing for disrespect you or make you feel uncomfortable. But always to the fear. Look there, as you calm me there, you foot. See, most can make a general feel nice in the night. Most can give me a play. Rest it. Can't go on.
Travis, if you really, really love me and care about me, you must can't wait.
Well, honestly, I don't understand. I don't know why I'm supposed to wait after me do everything what I'm supposed to do. You see me? So, I don't see the reason why I'm supposed to wait right now. To me, so it seems like you're trying to say, oh, I'm not good enough. You see me? That's so you make me feel right.
Travis, no, not like that. Me a virgin.
Oh.
So, I'm kind of scared to do it. Understand?
I see. Never know. You see me? But don't for yourself here. Maybe change. You see me? Oh, I'm going to first song or something. Let's see, I'm going for yourself.
Daddy run out and we have nowhere to stay, so we come here so and they ask him probably could have stayed here for the night. Seriously girl, your father run you out of the house, them a time of night yeah?
Don't sit down and look right yo.
Zaffa, come in. Cause time late. You shouldn't have on the road in time now. Come. So late to wake up, girl. Gosh. I just 10 o'clock. Girl, 10 o'clock late. Me I'll wash clothes and put on the line almost dry. Gosh. So, you eat it? I want snacks from my bag when I eat, but would I eat something else, yes? Alright then, if you want something to eat, you can go in the fridge, go look for something. Alright then. Oi, wait there, come here. Hey, remember so we need to talk about what happened last night because I don't understand why your father would have run out here about late night. You know why. So when I finish eat, just remember so we have to talk. Here? Alright. Alright. Girl, I can't believe your father do something like that. Run your out of your house in the middle of the night. No, we need to get to the bottom of this. We need to do something about this. We don't have a problem with you staying here, no, but we need to know why your father run out of your house. Alright, let me tell you about it. Let me tell you what. Let me tell you. My father see one video in my phone, right? When me wind up on one boy, you know them thing there something. That not really happen with the video or anything, nothing wrong. You not see like saying see me in a naked clothes or anything. Alright, so after that now, you see the video on my phone, you start make up be nice and one bag of something, so I walk off because I couldn't take it. I thought be things so my mother and something, so I couldn't take it, so you know walk off and things. So after that now, later down, my mother come look for me. So me and her the one place. Something I talk, I see my father show up. Start disrespect my mother and I run her out of place and something, but she come out of her yard and one bag of something. So I have to really look into myself and say, I must see my father really do in front of his own daughter face. So I said, no. You run my mother out of her place and something. My mother gone. And at the night now, I there on the bed lie down. My father just walk in, come drag her sheet off of me, and I tell him to come out of place. He watch me, I pop the bag. And I'm thinking they'll tell me, say, if you pack up my clothes then when me I go anything, he just watch me and pack the bag and tell me to go on out of place. And I mean that, this is me end up down here. Never know say my father would have do that. Never know say he would have do that. Girl, it don't matter. You just turn 18 now, you fend for yourself, you find food to eat and then something the girl. Can't work, girl, it can't work, man. We need to go down to the station right now. Man. Oh, we can't go down there like this. We need to find something with sleep, so I go for my sweater. We have something to do with night on important, so you know it take me around 10 or 15 minutes. So I meet her down at the police station, so you can just go and left me if you come down there. Here? Brittany, make sure you don't play with me, you know. Make sure you don't play with me because this is pretty crucial. Make sure you meet me down at the station. Alright.
You know, say God know man right now. You better just come out of me and go and buy your business, you know. God know, cause after I see a new man turn around the road when I yo, you better just go on here, man. You see me? Don't touch me, I say just go on your ways, brother. Just go on your ways, you see it? Cause I can't believe you do me that you. God know, you a fall person, you never expect you to do that, you see me?
Travis, you know, so I never mean nothing by it. I not tell you no lie. I not even know how it happened, it just happened. You just pushing tongue in my mouth. I mean nothing by it.
I can't tell me say that no mean nothing to you.
I just want a little kiss. You don't mean nothing.
Yo, you're lucky, you know. Can you say for there a certain man, your face tear off already? Yo, you're lucky you can't come stand up in me and chat to me. You see me? You better just go away.
Travis, look for me now. You remember say, you did say we want a break, not true?
Alright, Stacey. Here I go. Just give me a little space, man. Let me just process this whole thing, cause you see right now, me not think straight right now, you see me? Because I just never expect you to do that, you see it? So just give me a little space. That's all me ask right now.
Alright, Travis. I'll give you space, I can think about here. I'll check you back later here. Or I call you. I can call you later. I just want you to get the time to think about things here.
Yeah, I just need to process this whole thing, isn't it?
I'll call you later, you go answer me.
You never might know.
Can I get a hug before I go?
Just go on, Stacey, just go on, man. Yeah, Soapy. Yeah, my Jenna, you don't see my daughter pass or so?
No, yeah, from man, I know something to say.
Yo, alright. If I see them, I look for you and can't find her, you know.
You don't know if you see her?
Yeah.
I'm going to link you.
Alright, brother. I am get one nice soup, them here. Alright, enough respect. Yeah, man.
I can't call now to get Brittany no father number. Oh.
Hello? Miss Anja, you don't see Brittany come around and untall. Find yesterday, man. You don't see her in untall. Alright, no problem. How Tim's, what going on, brother? You don't see Brittany, yo. You don't see Brittany? Hey, Brittany could have there. Go away. Brittany come around yesterday? No. She didn't wear her mother by the way, man. So I'm not so do that right now. I'll call her.
Travis! 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 Travis!
I'm going to call Travis phone and now get there.
Travis!
How would that a call? What way? How Brittany that? How Brittany find me out? No, sir. How Brittany find me out now? Brittany, how you doing, sir? How you even find upon me live?
I must say, I say I white hall I live. I just come a white hall and show some people a picture and they say, yeah, right, I say I live.
You didn't even call me and tell me say you're forward. I want me.
You see, you had to drop me off last night. Well, I never did some leave, and my girlfriend lived there just say I stay there for the night and things. So, let's see. I'm forward over here or something. So, you know, let me in.
Yeah, man, I can't come here, man.
So, which part to carry this?
You know, say, maybe I may drive and I swing out a one dog and just licking a one patrol, well, I'm front end mash up. So, I have to leave here, but
So, you see, I live.
yeah, man, base this one. Not too bossy still, no, but yeah, I try to work to set it up one thing, man. Mine's this one, is it? Yeah.
So, one kind of just carry me here so last night more than we go to guest house.
God know be place not too safe in the night, you know. You see me? They want to come around and say with them hours and night, you see me? So I just say, oh, let's bring up our guest house, man. Now worse, want to feel comfortable, you see me? Yeah. So, be how long you plan to stay because nobody expects you to forward and everything, you see me? And me calling some people to go work on your house and things, you see me? So, how long you plan to stay?
So Travis, suppose we want to stay here for a little while. Yeah, Travis say you can't stay here or something for 1 week or a couple days.
No, B. I never say you can't stay, but you just show up unexpected when a big things are going and mama say me tell us some people are going to work on you or something, you see me? You know say the place stay, place want to set up one thing, but if there's somewhere you want to stay, I can't find somewhere for you to stay.
So, you can't stay here for the night.
Yeah, B, of course. Can't stay for the night, man. Cook something, knock it and dumpling and make it get feeling with it. I wonder if you look again and say leak off already. You have man worried in our place. Yo. Hello?
Yeah, I'm ready for this. She come here late last night and she say you run her out of her house.
What you talking about? Me run out data? Me run out no data. So where is she? She run there?
No, she down there here. Me and she didn't meet up in her town. But we don't know which part she gone.
So she left and not tell her where she go? Alright. If anything me call about, let's get me together, yeah.
different level. You know that? Yeah, dog, me I tell you, dog, from what day, me I try to tell you, say, yo, you need to take the music seriously. So me I say, dog, yeah, man, cause me don't even want you to follow such man who bust from what day, you know, and see him bust now, and I be a fuckery dog I sing right now. So when you deal with your thing, a Bob Marley type of thing, you understand?
What you mean, man? I have to do the right thing, you know. Greatest one be, you know. While I mean, man, can't tame.
Platinum and gold, you understand me I say?
Oh,
yeah,
jokes,
dog,
man.
so we are going to deal with the thing this year. You see what I say?
See that funny black man? What's me see my
Well, I
face
don't
up?
even know who she, you know, but, you see me? But remember what I tell you, say, you know, dog.
Grandma! Grandma!
Oh, you who they call? Chin? You rich man. Come in, come in, come in, come in.
Go and do your thing, you see me? And bless up, you see me?
No,
Joe. Tap, you see me?
You know who's going up.
You know you're in your teeth, so. Yeah, do me happy to see your grandma. Okay, come in, man. Put on your toothpaste. If you sit down and talk. You can send me?
Yes. Mommy send something.
Okay, thanks. I'll pass it good too.
You know?
Yeah.
My face looks so sour.
I know so she a come now, but I don't want her to come because I don't really like her.
Your mother called me and tell me say they come now, but at the end of the day, you don't tell me anything. So I would really like to know what is going on because me welcome in, you know. Because you're my granddaughter, I love you and I welcome you, but as you see, time kind of stiff. And the little work they want me to do, the little egg then now sell all that fast.
Yes,
and me have my
Grandma.
grandson here to and his mother sometimes send, but you know, so them eat like a farmer house. So then this yam 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 every day. So me need some more money and resource. So me no mind you come in and stay in here with me. But at the end of the day, what you go do?
You know, mommy no money and you send me down here so if you go and look for work for me in time when me down here. So me just come down for my work and I can help you out in the meantime. You know?
Even though you think it's a work down here, work not easy to get. Because if you don't know somebody, if you know somebody, you can't get no work. So, I don't know what kind of work you qualify. I don't know what you can do. I don't know what you intend to do. But at the end of the day, whatever little me have, me share with you. But I don't know how long that though can be. Because as we said, things not all that pretty. And the egg money, them start feeding gone up. People then come buy egg as fast as they could. Maybe a little cake every now and then and sell. And I have the little put them money what they give me. But I have the bills them to pay, the water, the light, all of them cable bill, internet bill, all of them bill you have to pay. So when you come now more, so I not go treat you bad. Don't try not to treat you bad, but remember I say me strict. I'm the one you in and now mix up with them people. Because me keep myself to myself. Because them a mix up and blend that. And when them start, then I stop and then they come to go look what you have. And then I have nothing to give. And me can tell you that. So as long as you will obey me and hear what me say,
Yes,
and I go to the way and be rude, me and you agree. Me and you
behave
get along.
myself, Grandma.
You hope you behave yourself. Sometimes we go to church, so you know you long out your mouth when we wake up and many time to say, follow me go to church.
Grandma, me will behave myself. Me not give me no trouble. Everything you tell me to do, me I go do it. Mommy not tell you how me stay. Me not come out your house, you know.
Me and my grandson go to church, and me not left here. Because I know say when they see you alone there, then go there fishing, and me gate. And I don't want nobody, and me get there fishing, because no fish, not over here. So keep them away from me gate, because I know they have a shot, they were there. As they see new face come in, they're ready to come suck blood and come down. So remember that. Remember me tell you.
Yes,
remember me warn you
Grandma.
from this first day you come.
No,
so you
Grandma,
can't say me no warn
I
you.
don't have no time for them. Them that's not up on my brain right now. I come to help you and do little things around the yard. And I come for work. I don't have them sitting there on my head.
You will say that no, because you come down and you don't want me to welcome you in. But when you come down and breathe,
Why you talk so, Grandma?
you go see, because I don't know how you
You don't
manage
like that,
because
Grandma. You know if you sit there and sitting there, Grandma. If you think
because you
positive.
can't take no young baby to cry on my head. So your mother must know say you good and me now go have the time for to straighten you up. So you just do say you keep yourself on the promise now. So hope you keep your promise.
When me up so none of them sitting there and they go on. So why when me come down there that go happen? And Grandma, and any man me like, you know.
Maybe the man them hope they so never come up to your high side. But you see them here down here, so you have the good, the bad and the difference. So maybe you will see some down here, so what you need to see up there so come in. Now which part of the son will live? Come to know your mother never invite me we wanna live. So me no know. But at the moment, with that the conversation can be positive about life.
Yeah,
so I'm going to show
grandma.
you your room where you can stay.
Yeah.
Seymour!
I can't get a game off like I look bad.
Just wait, me soon get you. Just wait when we pass the delivery.
Seymour! Seymour! Seymour!
Yeah?
Come here. Come help your cousin carrying the suitcase here. I'm going to show her where she is staying.
Miss Ponce.
Hello? Yeah, girl, I reach.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm glad to know I reach up. I wish what did you say again?
No, St. James.
Oh, St. James. You know, say I be a chopper man up this door.
Yes, girl. Yes, BMW and Mark X, them drive.
Well, just try and see if I can get one of them.
No worry yourself, girl. I forget one. I just go and easy myself. Me there with the miserable woman. He miserable. Start all that tell me about me if you come to come breed and all them something. She go on. She alright.
Miss Ponce. Miss Ponce.
Yeah.
Hold on the girl. I'm going to smell your car.
Yeah, man, alright. Take care of yourself. Alright.
Miss Ponce.
Hold on.
You know what I say? I want Miss Ponce me did want to talk to, but look here there. Look here there now.
Where the actor?
Miss Ponce.
Nobody over here saying name, so.
How your name, my friend?
You know, say I change my name.
Chin. Nice name, man. It fit you. Like your skin clean and everything, you know. Yeah, man, me do it. That's why I see how I passed a while ago.
Yeah, don't they say they look for me?
You're supposed to know, say, I'm not joke.
Mm.
Go on to number before I left it up. So you look over the place, are you afraid?
I'm not afraid.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Right, that's how I'm born and grow. You know, and I nicest girl I see come across. No joke. Wish we could have get you in my life, you know?
Probably.
Probably. Go on your number before I left, man.
Yeah.
So yes, I can get your number.
What tell them?
Mrs. Chino, what I really talk to my man.
What?
See her the grandma.
Let's see her. I thought we she bright. What do you want to do? You start already and you just come, you never make you whatever dry. You start already after me talk to you. Then look for what you out of the talk to. Look on that.
What do him?
Oh, you mean what do him? You know, see nothing do
But
him.
grandma, you have to deal with me, so no disrespect, you know. Just I try get to know your granddaughter, lovely granddaughter. You have
Stick
to
up
know.
in. Few time no come yet. Me soon deal with you. Me deal with she. Cause she over here, so you over there, so. So wait for your time. Wait. What you going there, so?
Just a reason.
Reason, say what? Reason? When they tell you, say?
He not tell me nothing.
So, oh, your reason, he not tell you nothing. Oh, you come here for? What is the problem?
Me not do nothing.
You don't do nothing. You see you hide them? You see them like push back coat, nothing of them? Oh, you mean you not do nothing? Look here, take time go on in for me job. Just go on in. Mister, if you go on in. Oh, bad boy, turn for me. You want me shovel up here this man with a shovel here? Look at you, what happened to me dog, make and choke you. Yes, you know. Where you for? Look here, take time, go down back little further this way. Where you for?
No disrespect, you know. You don't have to deal with me, so, you know. I just your granddaughter, I try get to know, you know.
You disrespect me by just coming to me gate. No disrespect. Because you see, for years me know you never say nothing to me. You see me they come with me water them and you never help me to carry them to make me say, well, this is a good man. As a similarly for your kitty come down and not even land good. You they come on my gate, you have house, you have car, you have money in a bank. Where have you for? Our mama concern her down here say me if you take care of her. And because she young and she can manage but it are the wrong somebody listening to. Try not come back and me gate, you know. Now make me see you and me gate again. Oh, what?
No disrespect to that, man.
The little crab was boy but he come and me gate. Go along with him. Lord Jesus, me say, the little girl this arrive and he start already. Me, look here. Let me sit down here before me drop down. Let me ask you one question. Where really come down from?
Me not fit talk to nobody. I hear me every boy come like ask about Miss Punsi. So me just get up and go ask. Me I say when they ask Punsi, nobody knows why.
You just come down here. You hear people that get they call Miss Punsi. You don't know nobody named Miss Punsi. So make you play up and go.
Just start we are talking, you know. Just start.
And for you go there, you have to do it and say nobody name so and walk come back in. You stand up out there keep long argument. One argument go lead to the other because when they see you, then go and give you nice talk and push all $1,000 and get you.
You can't breed me through gate, you know.
But they also not back to your mother ever say you go along, you know. As a matter of fact, come go along in. Go on in, the plate them down there, so come go and go in, wash your plate them.
Hello?
I pray.
Who this?
Yeah, man, I meditate again.
Oh.
You see, you're gonna go, not gonna be a problem, you know.
That's what she means with her time. She kill up herself. But when we come down here fast. She alright.
So, yes, we can link up on our time.
Why? So she stay and me have to plan and me have to tell you what I go on. We can link up, yes. But me have to, no.
Alright, then I see how we're ready.
Yeah, so me have to call you. And me have to call you. Alright, later.
Chat.
babes, I really have to live right now.
Remember, say, tell me, say, I'm on a police, you know, and he worked late shift last night, and he soon forward.
Oh shit, me not to remember. Hey, you have to leave right now. Right now. Come on, shoot. Already.
Wagwan! Eh?
Hi.
I come to lock up the VGG, you see. But anyways, it's a red money I come to give you, because I really don't like come down here and say, you know, them little boy there, I don't want to shoot one of them, you know. But here we go, you know. Now I can start out the rent, but let me lock up a little bit now.
Babes, you know I don't want to deal, but my period come down for me. But still, I want the rent money because my rent due.
I like your lips, sir. I really like your lips, sir. So nobody tell me about no period. And now, make period do period business, I am about do more business. So you say?
Babes.
Listen to me now, man. I have a long day at work. I just need to put down my gun and just relax myself a little bit. And yeah, get your money, right? And just relax. So what problem?
I don't have no problem for relax with you, babes, but
Shopkeeper, what go on?
Monday, I know.
Man, I look special now because today's a hot day to beef ball.
Kind of special one. Rum special. Or Pepsi. Rum and boom or Pepsi. What you want it?
Give me boom because why Pepsi not gonna work with the energy I need right now. Give me boom. Boom and JB.
I can't drink rum so early, man. Nice Sunday, are you?
I make a narrow escape a while ago. It's good to be alive. You know what I mean? But tell me something. You know a policeman only live Duggy Road down there, sir? You know him?
I wish for him. And if I want to drive a parada down there, sir.
Yes, man. Him same one. But what you know about him? Which division him? I may ask you too much question, answer. Just give me special.
You can't ask me anything about him, man. A long time I live here, you know. Ask me anything when you ask me about him, man.
Alright, I'll see you, yeah?
alright, bye.
Hold on, man. Turn up on your foot, man.
So babes, want my scan? You scan me?
Not scan you. But I never scan you. But you just this me, you just break me heart a while ago. Eh? You know me done at work. Once something, me tell all this soup life, you come up here and you come tell me foolishness. So you can never tell me before, you never tell me say you want the money, say you're there for your period. But could at least send the money to your account. I never have to come here, sir. Yeah? Who will take me for?
I'm not growing it, babes.
Listen,
you know
listen. Right? You could have tell me from start say I see a period. Joke thing you depend on, but you're not serious business. Anyways, let I go, yeah?
Alright, babes. Love you.
Love me. Just pay your rent.
Tell her that early, man. Me? Nah, look, no policeman, girl. No. You rough. When me see the gun, when me see my life, when me think about, no, sir. Like that.
Bomba!
Manners and respect.
Hey, you, watch yourself, you know. Policeman a ramp with them, girl, you know. Policeman a ramp with us. Be careful. Play your game, play it right. Last man, woman, if you look at policeman, woman. You hear me, boss?
Yes. Alright then. It was nice, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright, big up yourself.
That's so much worse. What a good thing they go up under that tree here. Oh God.
Yo, Popeye!
Yo!
Come here now.
So you are dealing with General?
I'm not there going easy, but here I go now. It's like say, this a week here rough. Money kind of, I don't know, I'm tired for big money to go on per night. But here I go, I mean I don't choice. But I don't know if you can lend me one 10 grand. And
Well, Andy, if you can say you owe me already, I wish you had even planned to pay me back first. The 10,000, the 15,000, 20,000, or the 40,000, which one? Come on, man. Every minute you borrow.
So you deal with for real, brother. Brother, a Kangal days and Travel Fox and them sitting there, you know, brother, days where I come from, you know. You remember I used to let them boat for go out back in the days? In a grade 7, you remember them days? I lend them things them and I get them back, you know. And you tear them on fence because you jump over Miss Rona yard. You remember them time there? And me I come to you now because things not really as nice as now. And me I ask you a favor, I know want to help me. Yo, you really know want to help me? Tell me for you help me.
Alright.
You really want to help me?
Forget then this man. But remember say enough money you owe me. I won't leave, you know. I don't like say I want to look at chump change. The money you owe me can do something, can start a business. But anyway, I forgot go for money you want. I lend you, you know. Because we are friends. So if you can wait for me right there, so I go for money.
Alright, respect. But guess what now? Me don't want to look at hurry, so send it with Junto data. Don't get so. See?
Alright, me send you with that.
Yo, respect our man as the boss. Thanks for always. Yo, what you say? I'm going to pay back money 15, the 10 and the 40. Because, you know what I mean, I work hard, you know. None of this can be in vain, you know. See, sir? So we actually come on. Here, boss.
That's all. You come back and you know my money for borrow again. That's all you know, full of sweet talk. And confuse people brain about borrow and then tell about next week. Next week can't come out now. Next week.
So Shelly, are we at the court date?
I'm not sure, you know. But me hear them say something about somewhere in the next week or so. And he might get released.
You know, say if you get released, you know, you can't stay down here, you know. So what you plan for do? You must have some idea in your head.
I'm not thinking can go find me. Because I have one little place done so. Nobody know about
Shelly. Yeah, sister. And your safety me I think about right now. Serious risk you think about, you know. Them man they will find you. And if them not find you, their friend find you. You better be careful of what you do. And you think, let me tell you something. You said that earlier. It's not who you know, you know. Who you think they don't know you, they know you. It's not who you know, who know you. You have to be careful of what you do.
I know, you know. No. But things sticky out here. I talk to one little man and he carry the rent come, but it's like the money short.
I'll figure out something. I have to figure out something to sort it out. Don't worry about that. See? Don't worry about that. Come on. Sis, you know sister them currently want change?
I know say place that stay too good enough, but me work pan forget to clean up.
They want change man if you start out the place better than this. I don't like how you look. Look like you really work on things. You can't tell me nothing, you know? Because a tree come on them your hand too.
What you talk about? You think me a little bikini? Me not a little bit, you know? And as me tell you, one little man come here some of the time, you just make sure say you are protect yourself.
You go on here? Go on.
Sis, me never want to tell you, you know? But me have one policeman. Me have an idea. The man they make money. Feel like so if you just come up with a plan and rob him. What do you think?
If we are going to deal with that, I have some serious money. I can't have a little bit of money I tell me about. I'm in a run joke.
What you mean, sis? We're going to do it. We'll do it for one whole heap of money. We're not do it for a little bit of nothing. But anyways, I'm going to make some call.
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, I need to spread up the bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy before you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. More and spread up the bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. You can't take them and sit there no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I mean the ask time because you're bigger, you know no time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
How which shoes that you're asking about? I mean help take care of your foot?
It's my boot, man. Cause you see, you love take big song go on like say it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early in the morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. More and just, yo, you hear me? Just do what you do, answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just because your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. I mean, yo, you hear me? Just give me some time, yeah, sir. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have nothing to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food you start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on the table, you ask for food?
You mean? 5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah? 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. That be good. National dish, tin mackerel, saltfish. I don't know what I'm going with it. Something wrong, but yeah, it's rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel, and you they come. Where you think about pepper every day. Me no want you not about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as nearly. Me tell you that it. You go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes, some people, I'm grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me, you chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk on this early.
I'm a friend.
Friend?
Yo, mama, I know say a man probably today, but just go on like one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What man?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things you go on, you know. Where you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone the desk. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. Or me come check you.
Just let me know when the man gone, man.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. I lie. I lie. I lie. God know. Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You go like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm my friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena, no Angelina.
And
Tangelina?
the same girl where you always see me with.
Girl?
Mm-hmm.
That you say? Oh, I see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name, but she name Angelina. Matter of fact, I question about your friend them.
I see that best friend. It's alright, know yourself. But they're dark, must come a light. Angelina, you have talk about. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on, piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here, sir.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to? You drop your head, but come out and come sit. Or come check me.
I lucky things
You're busy with your best friend, not you?
I lucky things that I did wake up you. If you're glad that I wake you up, I lucky thing I wake you up because maybe you're that pissy then.
It's a cross history, right? And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, turn on. Best friend.
Yo, mama.
What I don't want, girls?
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey. I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss. Alright. Yeah, man, guess what now? My name is Kemar and this is a public report, right? So if you're over by AV watching this short film, I want you to go over by Public Report Official, and that's public with a K. There will be a link in the description, alright? So guess what? Go over there and subscribe, please. You'll get this and many more videos like this over there, so, alright? So go and jam with me right now, quickly. We'll be jamming, yeah, over AV or Public Report Official, yes.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. Me I tie up. You two of you at the same time and that you don't realize. You chat, me chat. When you go chat, you first want to chat around me. How you go? Okay, Mosh. You know what I say, boy.
Me want this to blow.
Go. You're rough.
All ton?
Best friend, not the best friend of a
big boy.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
What? I want the blood clot. No, God. Get up.
Angela, this is Yes, speaking. Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business. But I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You have a couple weeks late.
So to become late, you no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
All right, Miss Angela.
Yes, sir.
All right, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. What I go on for we? You know what to do, mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the aisle and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him there for a long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them will kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me at the road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but I know say he have money, he have things. But I don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
Oh, me I gotta do that 4 months now. Me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer. And you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call me. I did it then. Call the man.
I'm going to call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that.
You know I'm pregnant though? Okay, why father?
What you mean, why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember, say, when me and you do it,
Well, me guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. Me been asleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Always. Alright. Public. Public.
but wait. My God. How you coming? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touchy man, me I feel pain, hot.
You feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother them talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I them tonight.
I know easy at job. But on a serious note still. 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come and tell us me I feel pain and everything discomfort. I kill me right now, me sitting here. So right now, you stress out all me. You stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could have get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? You want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can get me a true juice?
True juice? I get some true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, baby, it sound good. It sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not talk. You know what the baby hungry. Yeah?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And the belly be sure my belly flat like for me.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it you know? If it you true, man.
Mommy, you work for Trina? Right now, KFC and I'm buying. Alright.
What going people? Look up on yourself again. I'm in a nigger town just before lockdown. Police them make them presents. Police them make them presents felt over there. So no can look what go on in a nigger town at the meantime. What really go on is that yeah people, town busy. Everybody I try going before the lockdown, so I like going to rush our business. But really and truly, when I down here, says me I catch up with Richie because I do some filming at the town. So I'll go look see what I'm going with the new Black Magic 6K Pro stuff. How that look? Cameraman, what you do? You don't see a lockdown time I come? Police them down there, you know.
I say higher powers to be there, alright, and well fed, you know, so we have to feed ourselves.
Alright, Mr. Brown. So it look like I beg your pardon, miss? No, we are film.
Why?
Them are the movie. So if you go up on Richard Brown films on your phone, they will see it. No, serious. Like movies, Jamaican movies. Yeah. So, boss over there, so they all look like a brown man and the other girl, man. Them, man.
Not really want to nobody will hand anymore?
No.
I think said nobody don't hold hand. But you look weird and it's sun hot with this like some mad people.
I may ask her why she have on weed and it's a sun hot there.
So Richie, you're not afraid like you're not on your mask or nothing?
Mask, yeah, I'm afraid of what?
Eh?
COVID.
Amount of people are there now.
COVID.
Listen,
I joke, my mask not here, I go for my mask.
My mask not here, but you know people.
Let me go for... No, I'm not unroll, I put on the mask. Rest your camera. Mr. Lawrence now unroll. But I might not hear me too clear now, but hello. Police are still about the place. Ask him about the camera and how it works. What going on, my boss? Yeah, we're finding out about the camera. So, that's in the camera. We have no movies yet, we can look on that
No,
been shot with
this is the
this?
first one we actually have a shoot. We need some more batteries, so we can have technical time with it, but I use it to shoot that one, the first one.
Alright, so what experience using the camera?
It's nice. It really feel like, you know, you have a brand new toy.
Yeah.
You can play with, feel good.
Yeah.
So long to take a change, man.
It's sun red down here, people, so don't let come down here without a bucket of water. Hot and miserable. One bag of lockdown business. What you mean, Andrew? Go and do it. So, Mr. Brown, meanwhile, we go and wait for the actress for change. Tell what go on, what kind of movie this you shoot?
Well, I think it's one of them typical Caribbean type story.
You know, I've struggled.
Okay.
You know, I've won. I struggle from a female perspective in terms of all the abuse and family struggle we then go through.
Oh.
So it's a story based upon that, and I think it's very relatable. A lot of females who've been through the same situation now can relate to it.
Okay. Alright, so I hear that. Go and look forward to that movie.
How long does it take to change one shirt?
I don't know. I wait for actress to change people. No, sir. A while ago, I see her kick up her foot them in the ear. She did this to change people. Watch him a ball out and I fit up with them. And I probably can't see her friends. So I'm zoom some more see if I can see. See her there.
Yeah, it's here. Run your mouth.
Get on forward. The favor massive like. Whoa. Hey, my friend. You can't vex with me, you know. I feel me I plan on my infringe pan and mama. You're going like say, oh, I me do the thing. I don't me do it, man. Days and face. Come hurry up the people, I'm sure. She want to go take pictures from the beach, people. Fret, you. So we have followed them. Anywhere they ain't go with them, I go with them.
I went to my.
Oh, right, I can't go in and people in the film.
Hold on, don't walk up your neck. Hold on. Should I use to them love it over something?
You say people nowadays no hug up. No hold hand, hug up. We get a look on the 6K screen here, people. If we can make out nothing on it. I can't see nothing from here, so.
You say you're not used to them hold hands. A basic school people hold hands?
Try to get a look on the screen. Alright, so your town still people well busy. That are going on in the girl town.
Stop for.
I look at them and care for the number one.
You have to call the people in brown man, you don't call them.
I care for the number, brother. But I don't know them phone.
What's that key?
I'm come out of people I'm seeing. Video. Mama, smile.
Alright. Don't mind me getting them money on fire. I want to do that.
Run
Hey, you take this up.
No, come on, master.
Look,
No, master, me car.
Kite me a van.
No, more than one master, I car.
John was star.
Oh, dear, like a fire, brother.
So, as you can see people, the sun a day with me one way. One time I can walk over so. And still.
I'm fully protected.
A vaccine have you got to take? Why name of that cake place, Richie?
I don't know.
OMG.
OMG?
Oh my god.
Yeah, so people with the inside of this pastry place named OMG Negro. So, Mr. Holden, a Black Forest this?
Yeah. This one? Black Forest.
How much is a slice of Black Forest?
500.
Oh, yeah, but I'm cake or ice cream.
Yeah, Black Forest.
You want burger cheese?
Hey, hey, no. I want to get every mess up on if I do over this scene. So am I going to feed him ice cream or what?
No, change up.
Hold on, me. I want to know what bird feeding or what.
No, it's a regular feeding. We're not over it.
And that means saying.
Me can't ask question.
It sounds like fire or whatever.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on.
So we're looking at this first?
Yeah, we're looking at it. And then probably find for one.
Yeah, that can.
Yeah, but step forward. You step forward a little bit. Right, stay aside that.
Oh, kid, blue nose people.
Point forward, ready?
Miss, how much is Black Forest?
Black Forest cheesecake is $5.20.
That's what. Good man, we're not some chatting. Where's
What is this? Is it good?
You good. Alright.
The one outside the good too?
Yeah, I'm just getting I walk.
What you mean, brown man?
What are they?
Get your wife a Black Forest cake.
I don't need no party.
Black Forest cheese or Black Forest?
Black Forest cheese.
Black Forest cheese.
Cheese.
Please. Me say, after I make my plans, so me I go on beach to take picture.
Me did tell them already.
This Rasta man come talk with the way I go shoot video. And that never in my vocabulary, in my
so when I come up and stare at this and talk, no?
I don't want to come up in my face.
But if I come up, it's going to go in your face.
Alright, go man. You just catch your hand. I'm not catch your face now, yeah man? Unless you want.
Nothing.
Okay.
You know just like three of them, mom.
You're afraid of camera, you're running for the camera, brother.
She don't want famous.
Have the money on and push it here. Take out that. Put the money here. Put the money here. What are you going to put the gear on it?
No, shower. She never
that's good, that's good. Alright, wait a kick. Wait a kick. Kick. Wait a kick.
One more, please.
What's that thing there, miss?
What?
Is it that woven?
Yes, it is.
over.
You stand by and say, give me the song with the singer. Are you ready to get it now? Hey! I can't get some already.
Put me away, sit there.
May I talk to?
No, sir.
Oh, come on, sound so loud.
Sit there. Put me away, son. I got the whole thing here. Here you go.
This thing is here. Alright, so let's go kitchen off then. So when you come out, when you just go so. Here. When you come out, when you go so.
Pretty piece of corona. Yo, and I think them I never get old to me people. I like when, you know, normal people, because if you're not creative, you're normal to me. My opinion. When normal people walk on a pass and just them look one kind of way. And then I just hear one old man over there, so of course, say, so, you don't know what them money are doing in camera.
I'm not going to video with the mask.
Andrew.
Yeah, my dancing machine, mate. Ready?
Andrew, Mr. Brown, say.
Because she don't use it, nobody open work.
No, I've been leaving my little
How am I not catch that? Hey, look up ahead.
Come back, man. Chop. The bro, man, up in the video and lick up, come back. Alright, ready? Ready?
Yeah, police, them are coming up. The police officers are coming. So, me a scoot. You see me? Can't take no cars now.
Alright, ready? Why about the lens? The lens? Yeah. How much time? Yeah, one. So you have to put some money in there.
Yo, give me a piece of that black person. I'm a black person. Come on.
Black person. Ah. Remember I think that is up.
Comes a very right now.
If you are orange, I go boom girly.
Jean asked him.
Yeah,
Some people look like I this for the shoot. It is for the behind the scenes as well. Yes, I bought it up. So I guess I just some like a miscellaneous around the town, the busy town and all that.
Where bus there? Where bus there? Right. Yeah. Like taxi business rough.
Yo, we're going to have it now. I'm going to go over and go to a nigger spot there, you know.
Alright, go after the man.
Just go do it.
Shoot me a shot. I work going, yeah. That's up.
Why the old school though?
Yeah. They really look at the small though.
But the quality terrible.
Yeah man, the quality nice man. Especially for edit. Yeah.
Bad man.
You look could have carried the full on fear.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Fight, you gonna fight me. Massacre little sister.
You lick out the hand already, you know?
The man, lick out the hand.
But I better take a care out of my face. You go fuck that girl.
I feel like I'm a war if a man box my DSLR out of my hand. If I don't find the funny man, you want war. Would I fight?
The brown man can't walk come round there. And the Becky and the body and the campus.
Alright, so when you go over there, I'm feeling the wire. You want 15 minutes out of my phone out of it.
Yes, I know, Mr. Brown.
I'll tell some more. You want 15 minutes with my phone. VPS, I'm done.
Oh, the bad iPhone. Oh, yeah, pose up and I'll do.
But still, I want the camera in my face.
Take off, stop touch my lens now. I don't touch your lens now. Tell like a maga about it. We're up on the beach now, people, but I don't think I'm going to do much recording because we have music playing in the background. I don't want that video to get demonetized. And then the wind sound, I know the wind from the breeze fully for distortion, so probably just make this in a B-roll, like just B-roll everything here. So visuals and music, probably. Let's see what goes.
Hold on.
No, I want to call no.
Tap, hold on.
My friend said, you can't stay in the water too long, you know.
Only upper body, I say. I'm not show them nothing.
Don't video me. Come on to my face.
Say you love walk up in the camera, say man. Watch him. Alright, so there so them do the shooting.
Send me the police with more business with nothing. No, I think that minute say. When they put me the police and how my mindset stay. Come my girl. I don't care about nothing. People want out in a curfew and do them everything.
Here, brother, sing me, girl.
Alright, so you don't pass down.
No, girl, I'm too heavy for you.
Wait. Yes, it almost, yes. It's like. The camera put that on. Check the line to start.
pass within 6K Pro, yeah?
Alright, so this is a camera enough to run and gun at you.
May I say this camera was made, I hope you plan for third, man.
Production camera.
Yeah, long before you turn on, you have to plan for turn on.
Yeah man, it's a production camera, it's not a run and gun camera.
This camera is not, don't waste my time. Make sure you know you want to shoot.
I'm going to buy one next day, so this is a serious product.
Eh?
I don't like the fact that you're the man day out and all the
No, here we go.
Can sit down too much.
Stop.
We have to take up Alton style. How we do? Not that must have everything.
Yeah.
Take up Alton dirty style.
So walk out traffic when I'm batty.
When you man shoot with them. Right now and action. It's like when I have the police at the chance on Richard Brown to the hat.
Yeah.
You know, I like when I whisper in her ears and she's smiling. Go on, say me. I don't know what you tell us.
But I don't like Hewa. I'm like Hewa live.
See me, man. Yeah.
That's worse.
Alright, so he said, no more to do. It's right with that sunlight, and don't just put on the side, two on the wall and face each other. And get close. What? Yeah, go on down the sun now.
What is this? Is Shakespeare?
Might as well. Come, go down there. But this is Shakespeare. You want a stone. Well, this is Shakespeare.
Yeah, you have to share my arm.
This you want to walk and shake your ass. You just buck right up on him back.
And that me and same too.
Give me right after here, right after here. But I need that me want, I lift her up. Like so. You want to lift up there? Yeah.
The man ready.
The man, go on. Yeah, spin her. Alright, what do you mean? Yeah. Alright.
Let's take him and dash him in the water now. Let's dash him off in the water.
Put him in the water, don't throw him in the water. Can't find out for your back.
Brown man come like him free the water. Saying can't go in the water. What? Where's it? My spread no room. What's that?
Alright, good, that good. Alright, if you're going in the water, go in the water. Hey, carry those left up, nothing there, carry?
Nope.
Push up here.
Nothing there.
So, if you're going in the water, go in the water and then no, we can ready and go.
May I go and wait for now to say, man. Later. Bye. Bye.
Oh, we never go in.
like that, man. I tell you, B. Never turn it down it, man.
You know what I mean? List out the amount of time you let me then.
I'm feel be even, man. I tell you, see me I sort out that B.
I don't know talking with you. You know how long? You say you're going to give me the thing and I know I can't get it?
You know, say, I'm going to die and I know. So me buzz her back later, hear that?
Alright, babes. I can ask you something? Yeah, my ear one do and my fingernail and my toenail, you know, say, my hot girl and then something they want change and something. So what you say? You gonna buy them for me?
Yeah, man, anything you want, man,
okay, baby. Alright, love you. Later.
Alright, babes.
Yeah, man. I get that one call. Hold on.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, I can't bother with the whole heap of delay thing, you know. If I say you do something, I want you to do it. And if you're not going to do it, nobody tell me say you're going to do it and don't do it. You hear me? I don't have time for this. Bye.
What go on, brother?
I'm not even so good still.
So, you're not going to link me then, brother? Once you link me, you know so we can get the link them connect, you know, dog. Just give me a link. I'm there on my base, you see it?
I give you a link. Give me a few minutes, I put on 2 pieces of clothes and link you. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Jaja.
I plan for him already, man. I know, but at the time the things. I have a plan for him, but thanks anyways.
You know, so if I have for babes, should I go down in the town, I wonder if I want something can grab it for you.
The money we are going to buy something on the road, you can take it by a pack of Pampers.
I'm gonna ripe it, they look full. Hello? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Have a week. You know, say 100,000 a pound though. I can't do nothing better than that, brother. And you are going now, you know, say my top deliver that. Because too much police there on the road, so you know, say you have to come for it. Yeah, man, I didn't think they are going, brother. And remember, you know, 100,000, you know, 90 and 80. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man, no worry, man, we link, man. Alright.
Yo, Baba!
Yo! Me forward.
You know so I'm not even about that checking.
You know, say everything there, daddy. To your last penny. Everything there, man. So you don't have to worry yourself. Seeing, boss?
Alright then, me done. So no. Yeah, man.
It's our word.
Can walk or no?
Happy birthday, Grandma. Yeah, man, I miss you, man. So, what go on? I'm going to send you something for your birthday, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. Yes, man.
Boy, what the most cost me? The most cost me to bomb, but yo, the most say every time I cut to no show them shot. Let me explain. Don't lose faith, people. Do not lose faith. So, I mean, I know if Richard tell you, but the movie making thing is a very expensive undertaking. Because of that really going on the money run out. Well, I mean I say on the money. Well, yes, because you know what the video and the ad revenue thing and thing. So, run out of money. The thing is, if you try to approach it like spend what you have now and then wait till you get somewhere and spend later, that can pose a number of problems, and this are the reason why. Hold on, the people like a breeze. So you spend now because you know if you move from point A to point B, make sure actors them, actresses them alright, to get different location to cost. So you spend on that to get the movie started. And then your money run out, so you say, alright, you go wait until you get some more money and continue. This is the problem, you know, and this is how I reach me. So, it's not like these, well, let me say actors and actresses. Potential or aspiring actors and actresses, because it's not like these individuals, like them sit down and wait for them to say, oh, come act. Them have them life, them have them work and things what them do. So, even if you get everybody at the same location, on the same day, it poses a little bit of difficulty because people have different lives. So just for schedule and get all of that done. Yeah, so when you spend one week later, the thing is because different people, different life happens, doesn't it? So probably something changed about a character where I got throw off the story. You have to think about to get the next character. Because it's not like so we sign contracts here, not people. But we're people bounded to do this or do that. You get me? So yeah, so are the person just not available or something happen, them do something different, them just not available, you get me? So that are the thing. It's a very expensive, but you learn a lot though. The experience, even though I never get to do a full movie, I realize the experience is nice, and even doing it like going about it from this perspective, you learn a whole heap of things. But yeah, people, I don't know say me love the camera. I'm a girlfriend that I always have her. And yeah, so what I'm going to try and do now is, you know, produce some short films, try entertain, you know, and share the content people and like them. So money is less of an issue. So yeah, what I'm going to try to do is produce some more short films and all of that. So can save up some money until me think I have a really budget out what I really need. And then go at the full length movie. Because when I realize now, like I get it, you see me? The film aspect of it, the storytelling aspect of it, you know, like the whole filming thing, like me feel like I have it done now. Well, me not feel like I have it done, like I can do it. So that's another issue. It's just like the money and if you have the people and if you tell the story. I just that. So yeah, people, don't lose faith. Lawrence I work on a nice full length movie for you. But until then, like the video them for me, please share them on a social media platform, subscribe for your first time. And I don't know if you have no suggestion as to how we can go about this where it is not so costly. I would really appreciate you telling me that in the comments. So until then, I shall see you. No? Remember to do all the things and to make YouTube send a video all over the place. So yeah, until then, me soon. Big up on yourself. Lara gone. Problem for it up and I feel like me have arthritis already. Men's need to exercise.